Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this computer. So to start a screen recording on your device, you're gonna need to use either a 3-key combination of Windows Shift and R buttons, or just press print screen button on your keyboard. And after you press print screen button, you will see this bar at the top of your screen, and you're gonna have to click right here to select the snip or to select the record option on this bar. Then select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can change the selection by moving the sides and the corners of your selection. And as you can see here, we got two new icons. This one unmutes your microphone once you click on it, and this will mute your system audio if you click on it. Now click start to begin the recording, then let the snipping tool access your microphone. Right now it's muted by default, and now everything that happens within this selected area will be shown on the screen recording. You can pause the recording by clicking the pause icon, and then resume it by clicking the resume recording icon. You can stop it by clicking this icon, and you can erase it without saving by clicking right here. Now to stop the recording and save it, just click right here. Then you'll see the full preview of the recording that you made. You can trim it in this window by clicking right here. You can edit the full video in Clipchamp by clicking right here, and you can save the new version of the video by clicking right here and selecting the folder in which you want to save a new version of the video. However, once the video is recorded, you can find it in your file explorer if you go to videos, screen recordings, and here is the screen recording that was recently made. The latest one is the most recent one. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.